5 hacks that can make you a good leader. Number 1, expect the best from everyone. When you are leading a team, it's very important that you demonstrate trust, set the right intention, and when you expect the best from everyone, you are setting the intention. So that's the number 1 thing. Number 2, encourage people at every single opportunity. When you encourage people with words like, yes, you can do it, I have full faith in you, I have full trust in you, that gives the right kind of impetus and the motivation to people to outperform beyond their roles and responsibilities. Number 3, never take credit. Whenever your team is achieving something, don't be a leader who just grabs up to the credit and saying, yes, I did it. Instead, say that your team members did it, because that will bring the team closer to you. Number 4, encourage people to take ownership rather than barking orders and thrusting the responsibility onto them, because once people take ownership, they are expected to perform much better with more attachment, more enthusiasm. And number 5, give constructive feedback. As a leader, it's your duty to give the right kind of feedback, but there's a difference between criticism and feedback. So criticism is more negative in nature and feedback is something that is more constructive in nature. I hope you like these hacks. Don't forget to follow for more. Thank you.